Hi everyone, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Today I'm doing a Valentine's collaboration with Tracy at Mini Scenes GB and Crafty YouTubers United. And I'm going to be doing, I've got these trays, they're sofa trays, they go over the clip like that, they go over the arm of your settee. I used to use these for Christmas trays and I'd sell them on the craft fair. So I only had 2 left. So what I've done is I have coated it with UV resin on the bottom. I'm going to be putting resin in here. So I've coated it all because obviously like little mini planks, aren't they? That's what I've done. And I've got these. I bought these from the range, I think. I just thought they were really pretty, little glass stones. They're really, really pretty. Now, I could have made them out of resin, but I didn't buy them specially for this project. I had them in my stash, so I thought I'll use them. So, I'm going to get some resin mixed up, and I'll be right back with you.
Are you feeling sad and alone this Valentine's Day? Then Wendy's Decorium has the perfect product for you. Love Juice, the newest product from Wendy's Decorium, will transform your love life today. Just one splash and the love will blossom. As you can see, this homeless man and this bin are now in love by Love Juice today.
Disclaimer: Wendy's Decorium's Love Juice does not guarantee love.
Okay, got the resin. I'm using J Diction's 4-hour demold today. And I'm going to be splitting it up because I want to use possibly pink mica powder. This is I don't know what to call it. I got it from Temu as a freebie. It's actually quite nice, but I can't describe. It's white basically, but with a bit extra in. Anyway, and I've got this red pigment powder from Hemway and some gold, silver foil. Right, so I'm going to split it up and mix it up. I'll give you some music for this. I've changed my mind. I'm going to put the hearts in while it's still soft, this. Yeah, I am. I haven't a clue what kind of pattern I'm going to put them in, but I'm just going to see what looks good and pop them in. I'll take this opportunity to ask you. I will be putting the playlist for everybody else's videos in the collaboration. I'll be putting them in the description box, so it'd be really nice if you went, clicked on it and had some crafting fun watching everybody else's videos, because I think they're all going to be wonderful. Lots of red and pink, I would imagine. That'd be nice, won't it? Right, just gonna pop them in wherever, like I said, wherever I think they look good. Don't want too many. I did this because it's already gone up a bit. I don't want to lose, you know, the actual depth of the tray. So we will pop these in. I just think they're really pretty, these stones. We'll do it the same on both sides. I don't want too many. I do want to be able to see the colours. And I'm thinking perhaps, I don't know yet, I'll put a vinyl in the middle. When I used to do them as Christmas trays, because of the slats in the actual tray itself, it's a bit difficult to get the vinyl on. I could have done with a layer of resin, really. But now that it's all flat, one layer, I think it'll be pretty good to put a vinyl on. We'll see anyway. I'll find something. It's nearly set up this. It's actually on a heat mat and I didn't know, because it's still got the legs on, whether the heat would get through, but it has done. It's nearly set, which is awesome. I'm putting them at all different angles. We don't want them all uniform, do we? I'm glad I put gloves on. Don't know how I keep touching it, but I do. There we go. Oops, that wasn't supposed to be there. A stray one. I'd better take that out, it's got resin on it now. Pop that on there. Let's get a wipe. Need to wipe that one off. I'm going to be putting a layer of clear over. I've done it again. Sticky fingers. That's what I've got, sticky fingers. Right, I will lay these out. I'm not going to bore you with this, and I'll come back to you once it's all cured and we're ready for the next layer. It's all cured now. There we go. And we just need a clear layer over the top. Now I've got 200 mils there, and I'm going to put a bit of Angel Whispers glitter in it. Just a little bit, I don't want it to drown it. Just want a bit of a shimmer. There we go. It's the first time I've ever mixed resin with a fork. I mixed 200 up before, and I did have a bit left over, so I've got a pot off to the side that needs filling up, so I'm hoping it doesn't use all of this, but we'll see. Right, let's bring the tray back in. There we go, it's looking very pretty. Now I've made 2 decals, so I've made that one, and I've also made that one, and I'm finding it really difficult to pick which one. I'm tempted with that because it's smaller. I just don't know. I wish I could ask you. I'll ask you now, but I'll have already done the tray by the time you can answer me. I really don't know. So all I'm going to do is get some transfer tape, and I'm going to put one of those on. Let me have one last look before we decide. That's quite tasteful, isn't it? Alright, that one it is. Let's see if I can get the transfer tape off. Yeah, with gloves on, it's impossible. Quite late at night here, so I do apologise for the lighting and the shadows. But it's the only time I could do it. There we go. Put some transfer tape over. Bit of a squidgy. There we Lovely. And on the tray it goes. As central as I possibly can. I might have to stand up for this, but you'll not be able to see because of the shadow. There we go. Lovely. And we're just going to pour the resin over now. One last scrape. Make sure we've got it all down. And off we go. Same resin as before. It's been in a nice warm bath. We'll just see how much it takes. Now the vinyl that I used was HTV Ront. It was a chrome vinyl. Very nice, and hopefully, I don't know whether you can see it there, but it's very visible to me. I don't know if I've covered them. Have I? Ooh! Well, I never. Just going to pop a tiny little bit more in. And I'll fill the rest up with a pot. I'll go over that with a heat gun and I'll be back once it's cured. Right, it's all cured now and I absolutely love it. I love it. I kept coming and looking at it overnight and just thinking, oh, look at them colours. Anyway, it's not leaked through at the back. Although, there we go. Not leaked through at all, anywhere around it. It's lovely. And I don't think in this light you can see that I love you. It's in like a chrome. I think I did tell you that anyway, didn't I? These are slightly erased above the surface, but they'll be alright. And I'm going to give this to my editor. A bit girly. I can just imagine his face when he sees it. Anyway, I'm going to take some photos. I'll put it in situ on the sofa and take a photo of that. And I hope you like this video. I hope I've done something right. And I will see you all again next time. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye.